Welcome to the video. What's up everybody? This is Jai Gallo with Platform. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can update your profile picture for your Platform account. This profile picture is not actually your forward-facing membership site picture. This is your profile picture for your account to interact with us. Anything that you do within the Platform community, unrelated to your membership site that you build independently, will reflect your profile picture. So it's kind of a cool way for us to put a name to a face as well. If at the end of this video you have any questions about your profile picture or anything else, you can navigate to the support hub inside of your Platform account, and you're going to be presented with a bunch of drop downs here. You can just open and close the drop downs and then watch the videos inside of them. The second drop down here I wanted to bring to your attention too. This is so that you can register for the live streams and the Q&A sessions that are going on multiple times a week that are hosted by yours truly. If you have a more unique question and you want to chat with us, you can actually just click chat with us and it'll take you to a private encrypted chat. You can touch base with us on anything about your Platform account and we'll help you out directly when we're online. If we're offline and you need some help, you can just submit a ticket and we'll get right back to you. At the top here, you can click Help Docs, and it's going to take you to our knowledge base where you can go more in depth about all the features that Platform has to offer. If for some reason you don't have a Platform account, you can go to platformarea.com and get your free trial today and test it out and see if it's right for your online business. On to the quick video here. All we have to do to update our profile picture is go up to the upper right hand corner of your dashboard and click your name here. There's a drop down, or you can click the profile picture and it's going to drop down settings and log out. You're going to click settings and it's going to take you to your settings. And what you can do here is right next to this avatar profile picture, you can just click upload and it's going to open up your window so that you can select an image. I'm going to select this image. Now, as you can see, the profile picture that I uploaded is rendering here. All I got to do is click save, and then I'll give my account a refresh. And now, as you can see up here, it is showing that my profile picture is active. So anywhere else that you are using the Platform account, your profile picture will render to us and throughout your account. Again, this is not your forward-facing picture for your membership site. You'll set that in the app settings under appearance. But that is how easy it is to customize your Platform account with your profile picture. If you have any questions, hit us up in chat. And until then, I'll talk to you on the next video.